If you're like me, you guys want amazing lighting on your CRV. Unfortunately, the fog light bulbs, I tried yellow and I tried various LEDs and I just couldn't get the right lighting. Thankfully, Auxito fog light LEDs have us covered. They offer amazing brightness. Also, the perfect solution for LED headlight bulbs for our 05, 06 CRVs. No more contraptions to try to hold HID or LED. These things are slim fit right into the factory thing, plug right in, and they light amazing. Now we're gonna install them and we're gonna show you guys how bright they really are. Hey guys, what you wanna do is you're gonna wanna take out these two clips that are right over here. Reach in. Yes, there's probably gonna be some fluid because water does collect over here in your bumper, and you're gonna pull out that bulb. It should be a 9006 or an H11, depending on the fog light kit you have. As you guys can see, this bulb is actually okay. We're changing them because the other one's burnt out and we need something brighter. Then what you want to do is you want to grab your new Auxito 9006 LED bulb, and then you're gonna perfect plug, OEM fit, reach back inside, put it in, twist and lock, and receive your hand. Let's give a round of applause to our assistant, Mercer Built. It's been a minute, and we're back with a little install. Now, this one, we have a secret compartment where it just has a gaping hole. Don't worry about that. That happens when your plastic tends to fly back and your rubs off in your wheel. Now that we have successfully installed both bulbs, we are going to lower the car from the lift. We are using the lift because we have it accessible to us. If you are not, a simple jackstone or just lying down on the ground will get it done. Then make sure you guys put back your clips if you have clips, or if you're in this situation, don't worry about it. As you guys can see, we have our really bright fog lights installed, and these are our LED headlights. As you guys can see, each link for both headlight and fog lights are in my description. Just follow the respective links. Amazon, you can buy the headlights. It's in my parts list, and then my Axuito link, so you guys can get yourself a 15% discount with my discount code Paul4door. Save you guys some money, and you guys get some awesome LED products. Till the next one, peace.